This is the Dollemore Daily, and I'm Jesse Dollemore.
Some days the headlines are invigorating. Some days are good days. And today I have a host of stories that are, on the whole, positive. We've got Sidney Powell pleading guilty, agreeing to cooperate with the prosecution against the team of Donald Trump who tampered with election machines. We've got Robert F. Kennedy cutting into the lead of Donald Trump. We've got Republicans getting death threats from Republicans. And we have this story. This is a letter from the U.S. Court of Appeals, the District of Columbia Circuit, to John Lauro, one of Donald Trump's lawyers, who filed an appeal in the gag order related to Donald Trump's case here in Washington, D.C., the election interference case, to which he was served a letter by the court, the clerk of the court, telling him, hey, you're not a member of the bar here. You're not qualified to file appeals. You're not qualified to practice law in the United States Court of Appeals District of Columbia Circuit. Where do they get these people? Where do they get these people? There are a host of qualified, capable, good at their jobs lawyers all across the country, and Donald Trump can't help but be attracted to idiots who don't know what they're doing, or who do know what they're doing but are trying to pull a fast one on the court. This is what the letter says here. Dear counsel, it is my understanding that you represent a party in the above captioned case. Our records reveal that you are not a member of the bar of this court. It is the policy of the court that all attorneys appearing before it be members of the bar of this court. Our rules do not allow us to accept filings from attorneys who are not members. Also, the names of non-members may not appear on any opinion the court issues. Generally, attorneys must be members of the court to present oral argument. And they give a reference here. Unless you advise the court that you are not seeking admission and will not be representing a party to the case, your completed application is due by November 2nd, 2023. The application and supporting documents may be electronically submitted with payment, blah, blah, blah. Very truly yours, Mark J. Langer, clerk, and signed by Scott Achu, the deputy clerk. And then they provide a website for him to go through the process to become a member of the bar here in Washington, D.C., or maybe more specifically, the bar for the United States Court of Appeals. And again, my question is, where are they finding these people? What do you think it is? Do you think he's so stupid he doesn't know? Or, what I believe, what do you think? Is it more likely that he does know and figured the court is too stupid to double check? Either way, it's not good. Either way, it signals a disrespect for the court, for the judge, for the process, for the case in general. It is amazing that trash can be attracted to trash in this way. Donald Trump, just by virtue of who he is, seeks out the worst of the worst, the least capable and qualified that he can. It's amazing to me. Anyway, again, I would toss it to you. What do you think? We can have a conversation in the comments about this. You can leave me a brief voicemail. Please keep them brief. 714-576-4054. Of course, you can email me daily@dollemore.com. You know, this might even be just an effort to delay one more item. These dirty tricks, or tricks, whether they be dirty or not, I don't know. But it is stupid, to be sure. Follow me on social media. I'm at Dollemore on Twitter, Instagram, Threads, TikTok, Facebook, all of them at Dollemore. I'd love to see you there. And if you appreciate what I do, my stupid face, my ridiculous voice, You can help support my work, help produce this content on this channel. Click the join button below. See what's involved in becoming a channel member for $2 a month. You can become a channel member supporting this work. You can also click the super thanks button, or even better, you can go over to patreon.com/IDoubtIt podcast. I'm wearing my pink sport coat, this particular pocket square today, because yesterday I was on with Max Strackbine on the letter hack, and he drew a cartoon of me wearing this. Now, I'm under the desk. I'm not wearing gray slacks because that would be a little formal for being in my home studio, but rest assured, I do have pants on. Anyway, I love and appreciate you guys. Thanks you so much. I'll see you next time. Until I do, hopefully we have another good day. Be genuine. Take care of one another.